The American muffin has well and truly taken over from its doughy English counterpart, and since spending more time in the States, the whole family has developed a taste for them. I like these ones because they aren't as sweet as some and the crunchy muesli topping gives them an even healthier feel. And the beauty of this recipe is that you can make the batter, refrigerate it the night before you need it, then mix it again in the morning and bake. Great at any time of day, from breakfast through 11s to afternoon tea. Let's start. Ingredients: 300 grams self-raising flour sifted, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of sea salt, 125 grams light muscovite sugar, 250 ml whole milk, 2 free-range eggs beaten, 100 grams butter melted, 2 small ripe pears peeled, cored, and cut into small pieces, 100 grams crunchy granola. Instructions: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius gas 4 and line a couple of muffin trays with paper cases. Sift the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt into a large bowl, then stir in the sugar. Whisk the milk, eggs and butter together in a large jug, then pour into the dry ingredients and mix well. Stir in the pears and half the granola. Divide the batter between the muffin cases, and sprinkle the top of each one with the remaining granola. Bake for 25–30 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the middle of the muffins comes out clean. Leave to cool for 5 minutes before serving warm or at room temperature. How to make perfect muffins. Don't overmix your wet and dry ingredients. A couple of stirs with a spoon will be plenty, or, better still, use your hands. Otherwise the muffins will come out heavy.